हाँ.
Dear students of class 10, good morning all of you. During the lockdown period, we have to promote our study too. This is why we, the Helen Cisco, try to promote your study through this electronic medium. The subject is chemistry and topic is selected chemical reaction and equation. Firstly, we have to study the chemical reaction. What is meant by chemical reaction? It is the process of forming a new substance due to the chemical interaction between the reactants. Formation of the new substance. And how? Due to the chemical interaction between the reactants. It means that two substances or more substances chemically interact and form a new substance or these substances. This is considered the chemical reaction. Consider the case A and B participates in chemical reaction to form a new substance C. A and B are the two substances and they chemically interact to form new substance, that is C. Then this process is considered the chemical reaction. The chemical reaction begins with the chemical interaction of A and B and the product is formed, C. Therefore, why A and B both are considered the reactants. इसको हम लोग reactants कहेंगे. This is reactants. Yeah, these are reactants. Reactants, and this is considered products. This is product. This is the new substance having the property completely different from the initial reactants. What is meant by reactants? What are reactants? Reactants are those substances which participate in chemical reaction. Since A and B participate in chemical reaction to form C, this is why A and B are considered the reactants and C is product. What is meant by product? Products are those substances formed due to the chemical reactants, due to the chemical interaction of the reactants A and B. Here given as one of the substances. Reactants, the substances or the substance or substances that participate in chemical reaction. The substances participate, the substances or substance that participate और participates in chemical reaction, जो chemical reaction में participate करता है, considered reactants. उसको हम लोग reactants कहते हैं. And what is product? Product क्या है? Products. product. The new substance, formed during a chemical reaction is product. So here we see the reactants is one of the part of chemical reaction, acting part of the chemical reaction that chemically interact to form a new substance, and the new substance is considered the product. So product can get, that is here the C. This may be written by taking an example. Carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas. Carbon and oxygen both are considered the reactants, and carbon dioxide here is product. Chemical reaction is a very creative process that is helpful in the creation of living as well non-living substances. Chemical reaction taken naturally in our surrounding. There are a number of chemical reactions taking place in our surrounding, and it is also completed in the lab artificially through the attempts of human. The chemical reaction that taken place naturally is the fainting of color, curding of milk, discolor of the cloth, digestion of food, the photosynthesis taking place in green plants, as well the respiration taking place in our body or the body of all living things. These are the chemical reactions taken naturally, operated naturally. The water that is formed also developed due to the chemical reaction taken naturally. This is how we see there are a number of chemical reactions taking place in our surrounding, and it is not by the human efforts taken naturally. Similarly, by knowing this rule, we also apply the same process in the lab of the schools and so on. And through the similar process, we may able to make a new substance that is also considered the chemical reaction. Here we see carbon or coal is burnt in sufficient supply of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced by burning the coal, burning carbon in presence of sufficient supply of oxygen. Here carbon dioxide is formed. This is the chemical reaction. And the same reaction is also completed naturally. Now we see, we have discussed the three topics: chemical reaction. Again I try to revise this. The process under which a new substance is formed due to the chemical interaction between the reactants. Reactants are those substances or substances which participate in chemical reaction, and products or product are those substances which formed due to the chemical interaction of reactants. Now we say, now we may take a number of examples, and we have to also conduct some of the reactions in lab. In lab, we burn the ribbons of magnesium. Magnesium is a metal, and it is burnt in lab. Whenever it is burnt in lab, magnesium is burnt in presence of oxygen. Presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide, MgO. It means Mg is burnt in air, and magnesium oxide MgO, whitish powder. Its color is white. Therefore, white powder is formed, and this white powder is formed is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is produced when magnesium is burnt in sufficient supply of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. The chemical nature of magnesium oxide is basic. Magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Its chemical property is basic. Why do we say it is so? Because whenever magnesium is treated with water or mixed in water, then it interacts chemically to form magnesium oxide, magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide is treated with water, then it interacts chemically with water to form magnesium hydroxide. And magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Whenever it is treated with red litmus, then red litmus turns blue. And red litmus turns blue only in the case of the base. This shows that the magnesium hydroxide so formed due to the chemical interaction with water is basic in nature. Basic in nature. Base. Therefore, why magnesium oxide here is called basic oxide. Magnesium oxide is basic oxide, so because when it interacts with water, then it forms magnesium hydroxide, and magnesium hydroxide is basic. How do we say? Magnesium hydroxide is base, not basic, it is base. Why do we say so? It is said so because whenever it is treated with red litmus, then red litmus turns blue. Now, there are some of the questions related to this. Before burning, magnesium hydroxide is scratched with sandpaper. Some of the questions related to this: magnesium oxide is scratched with sandpaper. Why? It is so because magnesium is reactive metal. It reacts with the atmospheric oxygen and carbon dioxide to form its oxide and carbonate, and there develops a layer of magnesium oxide and magnesium carbonate on it. This layer doesn't allow the metal magnesium to come in direct contact with the air while burning. This is why the magnesium is scratched before burning with sandpaper, so that it may come in contact with the atmospheric oxygen. So you may now note and write down why is magnesium scratched with sandpaper before burning. Question number 1. Why is magnesium scratched? Why is magnesium scratched with sandpaper before burning? Magnesium is scratched with sandpaper before burning. So because magnesium is a reactive metal, it reacts with atmospheric oxygen and carbon dioxide to form a layer of magnesium oxide and magnesium carbonate. This layer doesn't allow the magnesium metal to come in contact with the atmospheric oxygen while burning. This is why this layer is scratched in order to remove, so that the magnesium may come in contact with the atmospheric oxygen. You may now write the answer yourself too. Now we see